Hello everyone, today I will show you how to make machine frame. Step 1. Raw material. All the steels that Zhongyuan Machinery used are from Chinese famous steel companies. Sufficient raw material storage can guarantee machines on-time delivery. No need to wait for material purchase after getting orders. Step 2. Welding machine frame. Welding together with each parts and painting the oil paint to prevent it rust. Step 3. Use planer milling machine. Make it smooth on the surface by planer milling machine so that can ensure all the wall plate can be installed in the same level and help to improve machine precision. Step 4. Use driling machine. Drill wall plate fixing holes on the machine frame. All the screw bolts with grade 8.8, some other factories use low grade 4.8, to ensure fix the machine structure tightly and long life during the machine long time running. Step 5. Paint as required. Step 6. Ready to install. After the machine frame is completed, install rollers, shafts, and other accessories on the machine frame.